Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Odi and you are welcome to this channel where all we do is eat no matter what. So in this life, whatever you're going through, you just have to eat. See, seriously. And today I'm having, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm having plantains, tilapia fish. I have my sauce. Oh, at least I forget I have my cucumbers here. I'll just open it up. Just because we have to keep it healthy. So yeah, this is what we're having today. First of all, this plantain right here, I literally sweat. Is it sweat or sweated? What's the past tense of sweat? Also to get this plantain, and that's because it's been scarce lately here in Adelaide, Australia. I don't know why, but I finally found a plug, and they're like, you know what? We have this in abundance. Just keep coming to us. So I'm so excited. I get to eat plantain for the first time in a long time, and my fish and my cucumbers. I just have my sauce in here. Let me put myself together. It's a happy day. That's the summary of it all. It's a happy day. And if you're African, Jamaican, I think some parts of Asia, they have plantains as well. I don't know, but you would know that plantain is a blessing to mankind. Like, it is, yeah, I said that. Anyways, I'm going straight right into the video. And before I do that, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please, right now, click on that subscribe button. Please, I beg you, subscribe to this channel, be part of the growth of this channel. And you know what, I love you all. Also, give this video a thumbs up because you don't even understand how it helps. It helps the growth of the channel. It helps promote the video. Please, please, please leave a thumbs up. Just, just like the video and leave a comment as well. And yeah, it's time to eat. Man. Straight to this goodness. My sauce is really spicy, by the way. Oh. That's how I like it. And the plantain it's very ripe, so you know how it is. The riper, the sweeter. Okay, straight to the fish. Whoa. Oh, this is divine. Oh. Oh my goodness, this fish is woo. I did let it marinate for I did let it marinate for like 24 hours, and trust me, This is one of the best I've ever made. Mm. 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 All right, I've had enough. and I am so happy and excited because my tank is full. And I just want to thank you all for watching till this point, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.